Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to import bills or expense bills in Xero. So for that purpose we'll come in business option. Here you will get option of bills to pay, and once you click here you will get this kind of display where you can create new bills or you can import the bills. So you need to click on import bill. Once you click here you will get this kind of display where you can download the template. Okay, and this is the process of importing. So you need to download the template, then after we'll enter the bills and expense detail into that template, and then after we'll upload here. So I have already downloaded one template, as you can see, and already entered the details here. So you can see the various columns here, and columns which contains asterisk in the beginning is mandatory field. Okay, as you can see, contact name, then invoice number, invoice date, due date, then total, and the total is inclusive VAT here, then quantity, then unit amount which is exclusive VAT, then after account code means charts of account, then after tax type. Okay, so you can enter data as per bills and expense bills. You can also enter any column as per your requirement. Okay, I simply close this file here, and let's import this CSV into our Xero. So I'll click on select file, and after selecting file I'll just open it, as you can see. And here you can see the two options. Would you like to update the contact address details? Yes, I want to update my contacts. Okay, and the second option is unit amount is inclusive or exclusive. In our case it is exclusive. Now I simply click on confirm. So once you import this template, it will come under the draft category. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, under the draft category you can see 5 bills. Now you need to approve this bill, so it will come into the awaiting payment category. Fine. You can also delete these bills from here. You can submit for approval. Here we'll simply approve the bills. As you can see, it has been moved from draft to awaiting payment category. Okay, so our bills have been successfully imported. So in this manner we can import bills and expense bills in Xero. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.